This is apple. A-double-P-L-E. This is pear. We're learning about fruits. This is banana. Monkeys love bananas. This is orange. Orange. This is lemon. Lemon. This is peach. Wow. Wonderful fruit. These are grapes. 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 This is melon. Melon. This is pineapple. This is called pineapple. These are plums. 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 Oh, this is kiwi. Kiwi. Then we have watermelon. Watermelon. Now let's take a test. Where's the melon? Oh yes, here it is. Now can you tell me where's the peach? Where's the peach? Where's the peach? Come on. Oh yes, fantastic. Now can you tell me where's the apple? Apple, apple. A for apple. Oh, good job. Now can you tell me where's the orange? Orange, orange. Full of vitamin C. Oh yes, here's it is. Now where's the pineapple? Pineapple, pineapple. Oh, excellent. Now children, where are the plums? Plums, plums. Oh, fantastic. Now where are the grapes? Grapes, grapes. Oh, you're so smart, kids. Now where's the watermelon? Watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Where's the what? Oh, yes, here it is. Now where's the pear? Where's the pear? Oh, good job. Now where's the banana? Monkeys love bananas. Where's the banana? Oh, good job. Now where's the kiwi? Kiwi, 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 kiwi. Where's the kiwi? Oh, here it is. And children, where's the lemon? Lemon, lemon. Good job. Bye, children.